Okay, hi guys, welcome to February 15th. So this is Monday of the second week of February. Yeah. So anyway, I'm going to have some share and some analysis for you guys about the stock market and the investment markets. So first of all, where am I right now? Actually, is our office and our educational center in Hong Kong right now. So right now I'm in the recording studio, so you can check around. We have basketball net, we have like lighting, with all the walls that is soundproofing. It's pretty good, but it's extremely suffocating right now because I don't have any ventilation here right now. So first of all, we have some reviews of after a week. So what we have talked about in terms of investment. So in this past 2 weeks, I try to be more aggressive and more active in sharing some insights in the investment markets. So me and my team personally are benefiting and profiting right now. So even there are lots of REITs and things, we have just make a review that in January we are in general all kinds of asset we are yielding an average of almost 10.5% in return. So not mentioning about the gold and Taiwan. So you can see that those the index we talk about in the West, I said Nasdaq, right? So Nasdaq, there's a point. So in the West, sorry, in the East, I said Taiwan, right? So in the commodity, I said gold. So right now, I've some news we will talk about. We will talk about clean energy. Hopefully, there's a new portfolio. We will talk about it later. So first of all, we'll review after we'll be responsible, right? Because we share about the investment opportunities. Right now, it's going up. So Taiwan, remember there's a Chinese New Year, the year of Rooster. So I said that during the year of Rooster, the stock market opens, so it's right now is in this level. So right now we see two head and shoulders that are being broken above. So the first one is this one. So it's 8,800. So when it is broken above, the target should be, you know that if you've been following my clips, is 9,800 to 10K. All right. So the other one is broken. The signal starts this level. So I draw a line here. All right. This is only one of the methods I use in the technical analysis side. So as long as it's broken above, it stays above the 9,500 level, which is this day. So February 6th, so you must be profiting really well in this index. You can buy stocks, you can buy ETF or futures. So for my team, I bought about some ETFs and a little bit of the futures. But what I more heavily not bet on, invested on is a bit more is the Hong Kong stocks and gold and Nasdaq. So we'll look for the Nasdaq. Oh, so Taiwan. Today the signal is pretty bad. So for tomorrow, which is in the US side, should be midnight. But you can set some levels, set some something that if the gap between this filled up, which is around 9665, so you can take profit in the short term. So I told you guys this. If luckily it goes back down to this neckline, which is around 9,500. So it may be a good chance to buy again. But if tomorrow it's not yielding, showing a bearish candlestick, then I guess the market will keep going up until it hits 9,800 level. So you can take a reference of that. So gold, I think you won't be holding any position for gold right now because gold, because this is a bad signal right now. So I think I made you a clip here on February 10th that if the next day, which is this day, February 13th, it is not a bullish candlestick, then you should sell or take profit of your gold investment position. So right now it's not really a big trend of going down. So for me, I don't have any gold position right now. But I think these 2 days is key to US dollars. So if US dollars is still going up, then you can short your gold, or you can hold buying the schedule of buying gold. So we can look at the US index. So you see, we said that 101, the level is pretty strong. We can draw again the channel, sometimes channel, but sometimes if it works and it's not over yet, we can use the same analysis over and over again. After all, in stock market, it's about profiting. It's not about using some funky stuff that you show that you're really cool and good at something, right? That's how low are you, right? So you see that now. Pay attention. The bearish candlestick, it happened yesterday. Your time is also yesterday. So this level exactly hitting this channel, the level upper level of the channel, which is 101.54. So anything happens for the US dollars, then US dollar will go down. You can long euro, you can long pounds, British pounds, you can long the gold, you can long oil. If the stock market is doing good, oil is good. If the stock market is doing good with the downtrend of US dollars, then you can buy gold. You understand what I mean? So if you want more education in this area, you can leave me some comments below so I can teach you something about the paranoid of the stock market. So today, or what you have to do is, it's really a bit too late if you really start to believe me that the lowest valuation level of Nasdaq is 5,800. So now you should trust me right now, because it's not about me, it's about calculation. Okay, so things are there, just that it's like a puzzle. So anyone helping you, or what you do to put them into one piece. So I said, if anytime the Nasdaq breaks above this level, which is 5663, 5665, then you should really long your position, or you should buy some stock. For example, I talk about Amazon, right? See? I talk about Google, see? Right? I talk about anything, it goes up. Why? Because, well, this is really good. I've been holding this Home Depot for 6 years. You know why? The index is doing good. People are happy. People are excited. They will buy something. They will first buy something that's good, something that's undervalued. That's the fact you can never change, right? So right now, we have some news that hopefully is a bit micro right now. It's about stock. Hopefully, it will bring some insights to you. So I've talked about the two parties meeting on the March 5th in China. There's really a big, gigantic, humongous meeting, important meeting in the East. So they are starting to have some policies of improving something, such as today we have a news about the nuclear energy, which in Japan is a no-no, big no-no, right? But in China, so what, man, I will take the profit, I will take the market, because this is the only thing that China can do to join and to align in globally, all right? The green energy, the alternative energy is the nuclear energy. So I think there are many topics and policies that will contradict the East, like the China and the US, but this is the one thing that's really aligned is the new energy. So the new energy, I can introduce you some kind of energy. First of all, we talked about the solar city from Elon Musk, but unluckily, is not being traded in the market right now. But last time, it was like 4 months ago, we are hosting 1,500 people seminar every like 2 months. So the next one, if you happen to be in Hong Kong, I'm not sure, is February 22nd, but you need to know Chinese, right? But that's one thing that we talk about during the presidential election. So you can buy this. It was doing really well. But the other one is the biggest new energy company Covanta Holdings Corp. So they're not mainly 100% doing clean and new energy, but it really the management is doing like considerably okay, right? But the stock price is not okay. So again, it's not for long-term investment. It's for like thin investment, thin. So before March, you should take profit, or after March latest, you should take profit. So right now, I'm not suggesting you guys to buy it because the long midterm channel has been broken below. So you see, so the exception is, let's say tonight, there's a bullish candlestick going up and close above this level needs to be $15.70. If this closes above, you can try. You can take a try. And then the target will be $16.70. So the other one is the second biggest new energy company. Planet Energy is, again, not 100% new energy, but they are the biggest ones, because I don't want you to involve in any penny stock stuff. Later on in Sunday or Monday, we have an educational clip. You will know that if you start to know more rich people and with the rich people, I mean. So penny stock market is nothing like should be related to you. So there are meetings and, okay, you can look at the clip. So for this one, is actually technically doing better, but not fundamentally. So you see there's a considerably okay shape of the head and shoulder bottom, and the latest phase should be the double top. If anytime it goes up above this level is $20.53, then you should have an up wave coming up. And it should fill the gap, $21.27. That's the profit is really slim, but I'm looking for this. If the stock price will close above these two levels, you should consider the wave is done. The adjustment wave should be done. So you are aiming for at least $21.16. But if that also breaks above, then leave a comment. I can share with you. So right now, the Nasdaq is doing pretty good, unless tonight it fills back, in short term only, fills back the gap, which is 57.43. I'm doing quite a bit of investment right now, but anytime I will just heads up, I'm telling you the level. So for me, I will do it like anyway, but I'm not like starting live, right? I'm not starting live to record me sleeping and going to pee, stuff like that, but I'm saying all the levels. But if something changes, you know the strategy right now. So for now, it's pretty good. The VXI level is the new record low in this 11 years. So for me, it's not a good sign. So you can also leave me a comment, what is VIX, how should I apply it? It's not about like what people saying in the market, like Bloomberg and stuff like that saying in the market. Their VIX is really low, so we are really positive. Oh man, screw that. But be careful of the FAQA and the TA section. So we really have to think. So again, newcomers, please subscribe my YouTube channel, like the clip, like my Facebook page, and smash the share button. I really long to see the first comment, because over 5,000 people have watched my videos in this. I've started this channel for like 3 weeks, 4 weeks. So really thankful, really grateful for your support. So I will see you next time. So even some vlogs, they have been telling me in Hong Kong that I should show the vlogs in like this channel instead, because my wife speaks English and my son speak English. Yeah, I can do something like that, but I need your input. So we're running the channel together. Hopefully I get support, and hopefully you can leave me some comments on what to share and what to talk about. So I'll see you next time. Goodbye. It's Friday. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.